Channel at ptlarts.com. I'm starting again from scratch. I'm going to start talking about going online with your art. I'm an artist. I paint portraits like this one, which is quite big, and landscapes like this, predominantly in oil paint, and watercolours like this, which I also frame. So I do framing, put them in glass, do them outboard too. And so now I want it all to go online. What do I do? It's a headache, isn't it? I can't work computers. I don't like Facebook. I don't understand Instagram. I don't really know why I should do it. Why don't people just buy my artwork anyway? Does it work? Is there any point? Does it cost me a lot of money? Well, let's calm down. Think about this. Breathe deeply. Don't panic. And do something every day to learn a little bit about actually what you do need to do. So I can show you a graph right now where I can prove that within 3 months I went from earning nothing to £10,000 a month selling my artwork, because it's that easy. Just follow my program. I'm actually really sorry, because that's not true. So generally, if you're looking at people online, they're doing like the back end, if you like, once you've got your product already and stuff, there's stuff out there to help you sell the product that you've probably already got. Maybe you've got a gallery, maybe you've got a shop, maybe you're already moving products. So please don't buy into any of these courses, any of these what like to be called fake gurus, that they've learned how to write very convincing words to draw you in, to think it's a solution to your problem. But like everything, not in fact, actually, if you put it into the same area as your artwork, then you start to get some. So, for example, for me to paint a picture like this, I had a few attempts. So you get your paper, don't you? You get your picture that I'm using as a reference. Like I work from photographs, mainly because it's easier to do. You get good quality. I've got a decent sized screen so I can have a look at it. I don't try and paint realistically. So I get my paper. So you have like loads of different ways of painting watercolours, don't you? This is a watercolour. And you find the one that suits you best. Mine's like, I like to make the paper really, really wet and put like the paint on and then leave it for a bit. And then I start to sort of paint, use the rigger brush to get the rest of the stuff on. That is like my preferred option. However, I'm always willing to try other methods as well. So there's a method, isn't there, that you develop through doing it. You don't just know how to do it. And that's my point, really, about going online. So further down the line, with the portrait like this, for example, I'll start painting it, and I'm sure you experience exactly the same. You go through periods where it's not working, you don't think you're going to be able to complete it. It doesn't look like anything like the person that you're trying to paint if it's a portrait, or it's definitely not working out the way that you want, but you persist, don't you? You carry on going on. So my question is, if you can produce a great piece of artwork, which I've got no doubt you do, and you want to know how to go online, then do it the same way. You have to sort of start off with the basics and work forward. So I've decided, after a year of trying to do all kinds of different things online, that actually what I want to do is like share on this YouTube channel the steps that I'm taking to learn and share my work online, and that it has led to sales, but it's not super rich overnight. This is a long-term project. It's about building an audience. It's about like sharing your skills. And in this case, I'm going to try and share the skills that I've learned over the last year to get me to the point of doing this video, for example, so that you can do the same. The more that you persist in making material about like what it is you want to do with your art as a business, then guess what? You start to learn how to make art a business. That's what happens, just the same as making your artwork. So if you like what I'm saying, watch more of my videos. Click below. There's loads of other videos skirting around the subject, but from now on, I'm going to really concentrate on all the different aspects that I'm still learning about, because it's a constant learning curve, about the positive part of going online, and that it is worth doing. There's some great platforms, and there's some great things that you can do to improve your arts practice. So thank you very much. It's Patrick Turner Lee. Like it or don't like it, comment below. See you soon.